Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Eddie and today we're going to talk about the Credit Repair Cloud affiliate program and how I've earned over $2,000 per month using Credit Repair Cloud's affiliate program. So let's go and get started. So for many of you that don't know me, I originally started this YouTube channel to help people start a credit repair business and kind of explain different topics on Credit Repair Cloud and other credit repair business resources. So when I first originally started this YouTube channel, I went ahead and talked about these type of products and services and tutorials. I ended up getting more inspiration when I found out about different types of digital marketing, which was blogging and as well as affiliate marketing. So I was doing this business in regards to finding clients and getting credit repair clients, and I also fell in love with blogging and as well as this YouTube space that we're currently in. So what I ended up doing was finding a program or a course, and I took those classes and I learned how to do blogging and other types of digital marketing topics. So I definitely want to help you guys and understand how this whole thing works. So I can go ahead and show you my screen here of how you can sign up for the Credit Repair Cloud affiliate program, what you can do to leverage their entire team and as well as their entire process of how to get more credit per client for businesses and as well as for yourself. So let's go ahead and get started, and I hope you guys will like this video. So make sure that you subscribe and also ask me any questions in the comment section below. Okay, so now you may be asking me, what program did I take in order to get into this blogging business? But first of all, let me show you what I've been doing in the past year. So I run a website called trendybusinesses.com, and this website has been generating affiliate revenue for credit repair SaaS companies as well as programs in the tech space and artificial intelligence. So I kind of fell in love researching topics like that. And I ended up buying a course from Adam Enfoy, which is called the Blog Growth Engine program. Now, this is a course that's honestly pretty advanced, and it teaches you how to start a blog from scratch, and it goes through the entire A through Z process. This course allows you to start a blog and rank your pages on the first page of Google using tools and AI software. So if you want to learn how to do the same thing, then go ahead and click in the link in the description below and go ahead and sign up for the masterclass, which is the Blog Growth Engine. So if you guys want to do that, let me know what your thoughts are on it too. Honestly, the masterclass is insane. It gives you a lot of topic information on blogging and SEO. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on the Credit Repair Cloud affiliate program. So I know you guys been really wanting to know about this and how it works and how you can generate affiliate revenue and honestly have it as a side hustle. So the Credit Repair Cloud affiliate program basically allows you to earn 30% recurring commissions for every single transaction if the client ends up using the Credit Repair Cloud software. Now, they also have one-time fees if you want to promote Credit Hero Challenge, so you earn the whole $47 for that, which is perfect. The main goal obviously is you want to earn that recurring revenue. So obviously it's a high ticket SaaS product, as you guys know. And you can earn 30% out of the $179, which is around $53 per month for every single user. And also you can earn a big chunk of a high ticket affiliate revenue for the masterclass that Credit Repair Cloud sells. And I think you earn around $299 for each sale. And on top of that, once they finish the 6 months of that entire process, you earn the recurring revenue for the entire time of that client's lifetime value. So this is a great way to earn recurring revenue for the Credit Repair Cloud affiliate program. And this is exactly how you can sign up. So just go to the bottom of the footer, click on the affiliate program, and then it's going to take you to a tab to go ahead and watch and register for their Credit Repair Cloud workshop. Once you finish that, they just want to make sure that you understand how their entire program works. And then you're going to add yourself as an affiliate, and then make sure that you add all your information like your PayPal or your bank or your Stripe account so you can actually get paid. So once you're approved for the program, what you're going to do is now you're going to start wanting to refer clients to Credit Repair Cloud. So again, this is where I came in and I started understanding how to do blogging and ranking my pages on the first page of Google. So if you go and search my information on Google or even like Bing, you can see that I'm ranking on the first pages for this topic category, which is Credit Repair Cloud, other credit repair software, and as well as how to start a credit repair business. So I do get a lot of link clicks from these articles, and it's amazing because anybody can really do this, and it's such an easy way to earn passive income. So again, once you're approved, go ahead and start creating videos, start creating articles, go on TikTok or Instagram, and you can leverage your information on how to start a credit repair business and get people to sign up using your affiliate link. And just make sure that you're very ethical and as you're teaching people how to use the software. So obviously what I did was I provided bonuses and as well as tutorials for anyone who uses my affiliate link. So this is a great way to retain clients. And again, you just want to make sure that you're as ethical as possible. You want to be as serious and you want to teach people and solve a problem. So that's the perfect way to sum up affiliate marketing. But yeah, you guys can definitely get into it. I'm going to leave in the description below so you guys can sign up for their affiliate program, and I don't earn a commission for that. So you guys can feel free to check that out and let me know what your thoughts are on that as well. So I hope you guys can see that, using the Credit Repair Cloud affiliate program, it's a great way to earn recurring revenue. I've actually talked to a lot of members in their Facebook group that they didn't even know that there was an affiliate program. So people were referring each other to Credit Repair Cloud, and they've been missing out on those commissions. So again, I just really think that if this is something that you're into with credit repair, and you want to teach others how to start a credit repair business without being like an MLM, you can join an affiliate program. Amazon has an affiliate program, Walmart, and other major services just like that all have an affiliate program for you to promote. And it's as long as you're ethical, you're going to be completely fine. Now, in regards to my channel, a lot of you guys have been emailing me about credit repair and just credit repair topics. I did create a poll on this topic on my YouTube channel, and I am going to be kind of pivoting my channel into more about online marketing, digital marketing, blogging, and YouTube, something that I completely fell in love with. And credit repair is something that we still do on the side, and we've hired someone out to do the disputes and manage the entire process. So I'm really, really happy about that. And if you guys want to learn how I did that, you can always email me as well, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. But other than that, I really hope to see you guys in the next video. And we're going to be going over affiliate marketing, YouTube, and blogging. So thank you guys so much for always watching my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.